Investigating the representation of character discourse in L2 narratives written by Iranian EFL learners. This article is written by Soumya Saba. Contribution and originality of the study is that this study contributes to the existing literature on L2 narrative research as it examines how Iranian EFL learners represent characters' speeches and thoughts in their first-person stories with a focus on the representation of the free and direct mode of voicing characters and thus goes beyond binaristic direct versus indirect discourse. The present study examined the discourse representation of characters' voices in narratives written by Iranian L2 learners. The participants of this study were 7 sophomore EFL majors, 5 women and 2 men, selected from among L2 learners through the convenience sampling method. The participants were assigned both a narrative topic about their story of learning EFL and Singleton's 2001 picture narrative entitled A Doctor's Appointment. Each of them wrote 2 narratives, first based on the topic and second on the assigned picture narrative from the first-person point of view. The content of the 14 narratives was analyzed both quantitatively and qualitatively. The statistical results indicated that the participants presented the characters' utterances primarily via direct discourse, DD, that embodies the original speaker's exact words and secondarily employed indirect discourse, ID, that represents an utterer's report of the other speaker's dialogues in her or his own words more willingly than free indirect discourse, FID, that signifies double-voiced utterances. Thus, the dialogical principle of characters' discourse in L2 writings was more DD-focused and less ID-oriented with no fit instance. The qualitative analysis of the narratives shows that the participants' writings demonstrated a heteroglossa of authorial clauses as well as direct and indirect quotations of characters' speeches and thoughts. Thanks for watching this video of International Journal of English Language and Literature Studies Volume 9 Issue Number 1.